Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. Today, I will show how to check laptop battery lifetime and battery health status, with complete information. So, let's start. This process using Windows Command Prompt, or CMD. Open Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now type powercfg/battery-report and press enter. Wait for a few seconds. After complete process, we find a HTML link about battery report on laptop C drive. Now we copy this link. Open your computer C drive, and paste this link, then press enter. Now, you can see, all details report, about your laptop battery. You can also find here, your device name, device brand, report date and time, etc. From installed battery, we can calculate our laptop battery efficiency and lifetime. For calculate battery efficiency, please follow my step. Open calculator, and first type full charged capacity and divided by design capacity. This result is into 100%, and this is the final result of your battery efficiency. You can see, my battery efficiency is 100%. We can find report about recent usage battery for last 3 days. Also report about usage battery for last 3 days. Report about usage history for last 3 days. We also find report about battery capacity history and lifetime estimate. From this report, we can easily realize all status about our battery lifetime and efficiency. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.